nakausap ko yung mga magulang, tapos yung mga doktor, yung attending physician doon. And mabuti naman yung kalagayan nila. All of them are conscious, pero medyo under observation, pero careful pa rin yung kanila, yung anong tawag dito, parang monitor pa rin yung kanilang kalagayan. But I assure the family that they are well taken care of by the PNP, at nagpapasalamat din tayo kay Governor Waminal dahil meron din siyang assistance at commitment doon sa mga pamilya rin ng mga pulis natin, that he will be taking care of them, and for that we are grateful. The Chief PNP also asked me to extend our condolences doon sa pamilya ng mga sa mga sawi na kapulisan natin. I just visited some of them, and siyempre no amount of condolences could appease yung paghihinagpis ng mga magulang at saka pamilya, no? But ganyan talaga ganyan yung buhay ng pulis, and nakakalungkot, at may mga civilian pang na aksidente rin, at pinuntahan nga rin natin yung sa dito. We gave specific instructions to the provincial director to take care of the benefits, yung mga requirements ng benefits ng both nung nasugatan at saka nung namatay, para matulungan natin sila para mai-release kagad yung mga benefits. The PNP also assures the family that all the benefits due them will be given them at the soonest possible time na magamit habang in these trying times. Aside from that, I have instructed the provincial director to conduct an investigation doon sa nangyari. Not so much about fault finding, but it's a fact-finding investigation to ensure na makuha natin yung mga lessons learned, hindi na maulit yung mga gantong incident. It's a very sad, very unfortunate event na nangyari to. Pero yun nga, we have to investigate para to ensure na wala nang na hindi na maulit ulit.